Hello guys, this is a normal can of tuna. You can see it's actually a well-known brand. Okay, what we're going to show you is how you can use your pocket knife as a can opener. It's not that hard. What you do is, you have these ridges that stick up. There's two of them right there. The outer one, position it right over the middle of the top and hit it with the palm of your hand. See, now I've got it in the can. Then what you do is you keep it on that ridge and just go around the can. Keep going until you see, oops, I got too far to the outside. On another ridge, okay, it doesn't matter. You go all the way around. Oops. Okay, now when I see the other part of the opening already coming out here behind from under my thumb, I know I can stop cutting if I want to. Then clean off your knife with your tongue, suck the juice out. Drink it. Then you open it. And you eat it too and use your knife as your fork. Alright. But that's how you do it, folks. Enjoy your tuna and your pocket knife. Ciao.